Hello, I'm Matthew Sauer. I am the SLI Product Manager for Canadian Energy, and we're going to quickly just talk about corrosion. So as you can see here on this example battery, we have a little bit of corrosion built up on the positive plate. Again, sometimes you'll see this if you open up your car hood and you are, having an oil change or just cleaning the inside of the engine bay, or even on deep cycle product in RV. You'll sometimes, we call them like the green fuzzies that grow on terminals. All that is just excess off-gassing. So it's a hydrogen gas being released from the battery, and it's being attracted to the battery terminals from the magnetic field that's caused in the electrical system. So there's nothing really to be worried about. What you could do, throw some baking soda onto the terminal just to neutralize any sulfuric acid or electrolyte that may be on it. Grab yourself a wire brush or a terminal cleaner and just get on there and clean the terminal up. And once it's polished off, obviously do a better job than this. Get down there with a wire brush, I find better. You can brush it off with a paintbrush, garden hose, anything. Don't worry about this. This isn't going to cause any damage to your vehicle. And then, so once neutralized, once you've cleaned the post, use a little bit of Vaseline or terminal corrosion prevention spray that you can get at Canadian Energy, and you'll be good to go. Again, if they want any more information regarding corrosion or corrosion prevention, go to cdenergy.com.